Hi guys, so received this lightweight heated vest for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because first of all it comes in this travel bag, which I think it's a perfect thing that comes included. You have the user guide, okay, this kind of like washing bag where you can place your heated vest and dry it out in your dryer or clean it, which I think it's really nice. And this is the proper heated vest in this nice sealed bag. It comes with the battery included, and as I've said, it's a lightweight heated vest. You have in here the controllers to select where you want the heat. You have a side pocket, and when we open it, we find in this side a little zip that we can search for the cable so we can connect the power bank. Okay, this is it. And you can also use it for charging your phone, your iPad, even your game player like Nintendo Switch or similars. And I think it's really nice. As you can see, this is the main unit. You can use it with this Type-C or with a USB-A port. Okay, and in this side we have the button. Okay, so I'm gonna place it right now in this pocket, and I'm gonna fit the vest. Okay, this is how it looks when you put it on. I ordered the size large, and I think it fits perfectly. And it feels really nice. It feels of an excellent quality. So what I'm gonna do is take it outside and test it out. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm already outside and I have already turned it on, which I think it's nice because it really quickly starts heating up. Depending of the side that you selected, I select the front and back part, which illuminates in this side. I think it's really nice, and they both are quickly heating up. I think that it's really nice that you have heat selected on the front side and in the back side. That way you can just choose the most comfortable way for you to be heated up with your lightweight heated vest. And what I also like is that you have upon the neck a heat source, so you are actually also heated up to the neck, which I think it's really nice. Overall, I like it a lot. It fits really nice. It doesn't feel tight or anything. I think that's a nice feature, and overall I like it a lot. I love that it has this two-sided zip pockets, and overall I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.